gotten to the point where the awning no longer deploys anymore, and we want it to deploy just a little bit more. And so we'll be spinning the red hex screw towards positive. And now you see with every rotation I give it, it's coming out a little bit and a little bit more. So we actually deployed it a little too much. So what we're gonna do is go to that same red hex screw and we're gonna spin towards minus to shorten the limit and bring it in a little bit. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're gonna bring it in and we're gonna go ahead and redeploy it to see where the new limit is set. So we're gonna stop it and then we're gonna redeploy it. When the awning is retracting too far, what you need to do is you go to the white hex screw and you spin it towards minus to shorten the retract limit. Spinning towards minus to shorten the retract limit and have it stop early. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now that we've got the awning stopping in the retract on its own, now is when we can add to the limit. So we go back to that white hex screw and we spin towards positive to give it more of a limit. So what I did was I brought the awning in as much as the cassette would allow me, and then I brought it out with the remote to then just add a turn or two more to approximately get it in that perfect position.